Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Shooting for like a love you shooting for 16 hours that night, and anger भी था और भूख भी थी, तो दोनों mix हो गया था पूरा. And I wanted to like eat. I could have eaten even an animal or actually eaten a human being that night. I think this was on the 16th or 15th of March when I went out. I think सबके लिए I think common वही answer होगा. Second week of March, third week of March, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो lockdown हो गया था.
Last time you got friend zoned.
Friend zoned.
Yeah.
I think that always happens, with everybody. And
I have a quick small segment for you if you can answer me that.
sure.
So it's the last time. I'm going to ask you last time आपने ये कब किया? So last
Okay.
time you slept.
Last night.
Okay. So you want to explain? कैसे
सोया मैं?
Oh no. Slipped. फिसलना.
Slip. Oh, अच्छा.
Yeah.
Slip was in my building lobby when I was coming down the stairs and I was getting late for shoot. और फिसल गया और कमर पे गिरा, खाना ऊपर नीचे हो गया, पलटी हो गया, फिर ऊपर जाके 15 मिनट मम्मी ने कुछ और डब्बे में दिया और फिर वापस चला गया. तो जल्दबाजी में फिसल गया.
Okay. Last time you shopped online.
Yesterday only I shopped online. I was calling for a hairband. क्योंकि मेरे को पता नहीं लोखंड वाला में मार्केट बंद है, तो मैंने हेयर बैंड 2 मंगाए ऑनलाइन. तो लास्ट नाइट ओनली आई शॉप फॉर इट.
Last time you got late for shoot.
I never get late for shoot. I'm very punctual.
Okay. Last time you
last time I
hungry.
got late for, और अगर मैं लेट होता हूँ तो बता देता हूँ, 15 मिनट 10 मिनट मैक्स हो जाता हूँ, वरना नहीं होता मैं लेट. तो ये क्वेश्चन
Last
तो
okay, valid नहीं है. चलिए. Last time you got hungry. Hunger plus anger, both.
hunger plus anger.
Yeah.
I think this was happening when I was shooting for Bebaki only. We were shooting for like a love you shooting for 16 hours that night, and एक टाइम के बाद मुझे इतनी भूख लगी थी, मैं चिड़चिड़ा हो गया था, मुझे बहुत एंगर भी था और भूख भी थी, तो दोनों मिक्स हो गया था पूरा. And I wanted to like eat. I could have eaten even an animal or actually eaten a human being that night. But this was I think a week back last time.
Okay. Last time you said sorry.
I'm sorry, what's your question?
Last time you said okay, fine. I got your answer.
I just said it.
Okay. Last time you had a perfect day.
A perfect date.
Day.
Day. Acha, thank God you didn't ask date.
वो भी आएगा.
Last time I think it was yesterday because I had an off. So yesterday was a good day. Chutti is always a good day.
Okay. So last time you unfollowed someone on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm following very less people, so I'm slowly started following a lot of people. So I haven't quite unfollowed anybody as such.
Okay. Last time you had a bad. Yeah. Sorry, you were saying
A bad?
something. No, you were saying something. Unfollowed पे.
नहीं, I'm saying मैं तो पहले 0 फॉलोइंग करता था लोगों को, फिर धीरे 1-2 करके अभी आई थिंक आई फॉलो सम 70-80 पीपल. तो अनफॉलो का तो कोई बात ही नहीं आती यहाँ पे. मैंने किसी को अनफॉलो नहीं किया है.
Okay. Last time you had a bad day.
I had a bad day, I think.
Date. Now it's date.
Date.
Yeah, bad date.
You won't believe me, I don't go on dates.
Okay.
I don't go on dates. Now, what is a date? A date is a nice dinner, candle night, and all of that. You take somebody out and all of that. If you're meeting somebody down your society or going for a walk, is that a date?
It can be. For
मतलब
the
पता नहीं,
person you
सबका
going
अलग
with.
है. तो मैं तो ज्यादा यार, मैं बाहर गाड़ी वाला डिनर वाला आदमी नहीं हूँ यार. I mean, I'm more of somebody who's going to pick up my phone and talk to them, or talk to them over message as such, or like call my friends over if I have to as such. But I've never quite been the dinner boy who's taken people out for dinners and all of that. I think I've only done that with my girlfriends, but now I'm single, so I haven't done that in like 4 years.
Okay. Last time you fake praised someone.
मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, मैं बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट आदमी हूँ यार. अगर मुझे किसी चीज पसंद नहीं तो मैं बोल दूंगा आपको.
तो ये क्वेश्चन भी वैलिड नहीं है.
हाँ यार, फेक प्रेज करके जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, अगर क्रिटिसाइज करोगे, अप्रिशिएट करोगे, झूठी अप्रिसिएशन दोगे, वो झाड़ पे चढ़ जाएंगे. क्रिटिसाइज करो ना ताकि वो और इम्प्रूव हो अपने काम पे और ये सब चीजें पे. So I think it makes more sense if you be honest.
Okay. Last time you did something illegal and got caught.
What if I say I've never got caught?
Okay.
You have a lot of invalid
La-
questions over here, Ashima.
Your answers are very smart. What to do? Last time you went out to eat.
Of course, this was before COVID-19 happened. I think this was on the 16th or 15th of March where I went out. I think सबके लिए I think common वही answer होगा. Second week of March, third week of March क्योंकि उसके बाद तो lockdown हो गया था और अभी भी बंद है. So I haven't gone out to eat since then. But खाना तो मैं मंगाता हूँ घर पे. But mid of March is when I think I went out to eat last.
Okay, like 3-4 questions are left. Last
No
time
worries.
someone shouted at you.
Nobody really shouts at me.
सारे
My mom
question
does.
हमारे. Yeah.
My mom does. I don't give anyone a reason to shout at me, to be honest. Because, yeah, I don't. And I think my mom does because maybe I'm just neglecting. I'm not having dinner. I'm not eating. So, kabhi kabar kaam bahut ho jata hai. So she shouts at me and also. I think that's mom. And वो तो रोज ही होता है.
Okay. Last time you got friend zoned. अब इसका आंसर दे देना please.
Friend zoned. I
Yeah.
think that always happens, yeah, with everybody. And that's how it is because as far as I'm not bro zoned, so friend zoned is I think good. So if you friend zoned is okay. Bro zoned
Last
नहीं होना
time कब हुआ था? Okay. Last time
Yeah, ये
कब
तो
हुआ था
रोज-
याद नहीं है.
यार अभी
सब
लॉकडाउन
रोज
का
का ही
पीरियड है. लॉकडाउन का पीरियड है. लॉकडाउन के पहले ही हुआ होगा. इनफैक्ट सॉरी लॉकडाउन में ही हुआ है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में ही आपने कोशिश की होगी लोगों से बात करने की, मिलने की और वो हो नहीं पाया. तो एक ये समझ लो कि इतना बड़ा गैप आ गया लोगों को मिलने का. वो गैप आ गया तो सब फ्रेंड जोन ही हो गए एक तरफ से.
Last time you used pickup line.
I don't use pickup lines. Why do I use pickup
Okay,
lines when I can
I
just
can
be
accept.
honest and
That's question.
pickup line क्यों use करते हैं? मतलब I don't get the entire point of using a pickup line. I mean that's for TV serials and movies. That takes away
But
the
still there are
reality.
few people. कुछ लोग ऐसे exist करते हैं जो use करते हैं तो we asked you that way.
नहीं वो लोग
Okay.
definitely करते हैं. I'm sure about it and all and that's great and all. Kudos to them. उनको all the best उसके लिए. But मुझे वो logic मैं खुद ही पिकअप लाइन सोचने जाता हूँ तो क्या कर रहा है यार, मत बोलना. तो मैं यूज ही नहीं करता.
Okay. Last time you did something for the first time.
Have this interview with you?
I think we had interview. मैंने बहुत बार किया
When?
आपका interview. आपको ही नहीं याद है. आप अपने
Maybe
set
the
पे
last
आती
time I did
थी.
something for the first time was do your last time वाला segment.
Wow, thank you. Very smart answer. Thank you so much for doing this segment and giving your time. And lastly, what
No.
you'd like to say to the viewers, to the fans, for your web series, for your daily show? What do you like to say? And by the way, I watch your show.
Oh, you watch Kurban?
Yes.
So sweet, thank you. I think I'm just very grateful कि आप सब ने अभी तक साथ दिया है मेरा because it's one of those times where many people are not working and I am. And I'm thankful to God. I'm thankful to you. अगर आप हमारा शो नहीं देखते तो शायद से हम आपको entertain नहीं कर पाएंगे. So audience is the king. So मैं thank you कहना चाहता हूँ तहे दिल से. आप जानते हैं मैं कभी आपको फैंस की तरह एड्रेस नहीं करता. आप सब दोस्त हैं. दोस्त जिनको मैं मिला नहीं हूँ लेकिन कभी ना कभी इंशाल्लाह लाइफ में मिलूंगा. So just thank you so much and stay safe, stay blessed and stay happy.
Thank you so much. And you also please stay safe
You
and
too.
keep
You too,
entertaining
Ashima.
us.
I'll see you.
And please follow all the precautions.
I will. You too. Please take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.